So today I'm working on a Inglis dryer. Customer complaint here is no heat. During diagnostics, I traced it to the heating element, which we got a brand new one right here, and we'll be installing this guy. Alright, so this is the old heating coil. As we can see, there's a break right here, and then this one is the new one, which we'll be installing. And then yeah, these ones are your fuses. Those guys all tested good. Alright, so new heater element installed. We can see, yeah, there we go, starting to glow red, hot. So I know we got heat again. Yeah, we get another dryer repair.